Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how gears could create something almost magical? Today, I'll be showing you a gear mechanism that I'm creating for a design that we're doing for an illusionary effect. This is part one of a two-part project that's all about motion, illusion, and creativity. I started the Gears and Plasticity. That's the designing software that we love to use for a lot of our hard surface modeling. I used a 16-tooth, 32-tooth ratio here to hopefully get a good spin up for the illusionary effect for what my partner is designing. I'm not going to spoil it too much. It's going to be more than just gears turning. It should be a really cool illusion. We used our Ender 3 Max Neo on this, and it ended up being a trooper. It didn't take long at all, and I didn't have to redo any prints. Here's how it turned out. We have the gears and we have the mechanisms to make our illusion spin. So I'll see you next Thursday to see what my partner did for the illusion part. Part 2, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in that next video. As always, thanks and peace out.